Hey there, it's Jimmy from the AI Strategy Lab, and I wanted to walk you through how to create a Telegram bot because I use this kind of bot in my own workflows, and I think it's really helpful as a starting point to send in information and interact using N8N or Make.com or whatever workflow application you prefer. My team uses this a lot in our own automations, and it's just a very helpful thing, and I reference it in my videos a lot, so I figured I would create this quick tutorial on how to set up a Telegram bot. So to get started here, you need a Telegram account. And once you have the Telegram account set up, you're going to go over here and you're going to go to contacts and you're going to type in BotFather, BotFather. And the BotFather is basically the main bot from Telegram that allows you to set up and manage any kind of bot that you're creating. So in order to do that, you can see at the bottom here, there's a start button here. When you click that, it says /start, and then there's a variety of commands here, anything from starting a new bot, which is the one we're going to do, to setting the name, editing your bot's settings, so on and so forth. So to do a new bot, you're going to do /new bot. Once you do that, you're going to give it a name. So we're going to do, we'll just call it I'll call it botified testing bot. And that's just a reference name for you. So then the next thing is going to be the username of the bot. So this must end in the word bot. So it's a requirement for it. So we'll type in my_botified_testing_bot. Okay. And once it does that, you then get a congratulations message that the bot has been created. And then you have an API token that's available here that you can use in your workflows to send information back and forth and whatnot. And to get your bot started, what you need to do is the first part here where it says t.me / and the name of your bot. You will just simply click that. That's going to activate your bot. And then you hit the start button down here. When you hit start, it's just a command of /start. And what that does is that basically kicks off the bot to make it active. So the API key will be active again. And once it's active, you can then send information back and forth. And that is what you do. Now, if you want to modify any of the settings of your bot or, stop it, delete it, so on and so forth, you can go back to the BotFather here. And when you're in the BotFather, you can go and type in the /help command again to get all the commands. And then you can go to like /mybots. And this is going to show the ones that I have here. And here you can see the mybotified testing bot. You can click that. And when you click that, you can get your API token again. You can edit the bot. You can delete it, so on and so forth. So that is the tutorial. Thank you so much for taking a look at this. And I hope this is very helpful for you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.